Are you tired of living with the discomfort and pain caused by hemorrhoids? Wondering if there's a solution to this pesky problem? Well, you've come to the right place. Introducing the Hemorrhoids No More system, a revolutionary and completely natural approach to treating hemorrhoids that has already helped thousands of people worldwide. Hi there, I'm Jessica Wright, a medical researcher, speaker, and author. After personally suffering from chronic hemorrhoids for over a decade, I made it my mission to find a lasting solution.
Jessica dedicated 12 long years to extensive research, trial and error, and after an incredible 45,000 plus hours of intense medical research, she developed the Hemorrhoid No More system. This unique and powerful 5-step system is a laser-targeted combination of protocols, carefully designed to eliminate hemorrhoids, restore intestinal balance, and provide you with permanent freedom from all types of hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids can be a symptom of a larger health problem, such as peripheral vascular disease, PVD. With potential complications like blood clots, pulmonary embolism, varicose veins, and phlebitis, it's crucial to address the root cause.
That's why I created the Hemorrhoid No More system. I wanted to share this life-changing information with as many people as possible. Since its creation, the Hemorrhoid No More system has helped over 147,982 people worldwide. It's a proven method that tackles the root cause of hemorrhoids, providing long-lasting relief and restoring intestinal balance. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to hemorrhoids once and for all, and experience the freedom to live life without discomfort, visit stophemorrhoidpain.com/natural for a full explanation of the Hemorrhoid No More system. Don't let hemorrhoids control your life any longer. Discover the natural solution that has changed thousands of lives. Visit stophemorrhoidpain.com/natural, and I will prove it.